humans, welcome to Cheap Creeps. This one's about making your own gruesome graveyard. Filmed this back in 2018 and it's been haunting our front garden every Halloween since then. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comments below and please share your own creations if you decide to make one. These are the polystyrene sheets I bought. I bought a pack of 8. They were fairly inexpensive, under 20 pounds or $20. Chopped them up as you can see here. I made various designs and I went to a local graveyard, old graveyard, and got some inspiration there on some designs of tombstones. There they are. So I'll show you what kind of styrofoam or polystyrene I bought. What do we got here? About 2 inches wide. So you want something nice and thick that will stay nice and sturdy. Anything smaller or thinner will be, blow over or look too flimsy. So I'm just going to show you quickly how I did these. You got to get your parents to help you out. I cut mine with just a regular kitchen knife and then sanded things down with my finger. You got to make sure you cut on some pads or outside and ruler it to make some nice straight lines and figure out where things are. So I added a few little toppers on mine as well. I attached them with toothpicks and glue. As well, it cracks a little bit, so again, toothpicks and glue will fix all that. We are ready for the painting stage. We're gonna paint each tombstone with a base of gray. Maybe we're gonna mix some white, a bit of black, and I think a little bit of brown in there to kind of cover. We need. All right, you squeeze. Keep going. Lots of it.
Nice.
But no, okay, no, not too much black. You don't want to. Okay, now.
I'm gonna mix it.
What should we mix? What do you want to mix?
This. Guys, look.
I'm gonna mix.
Yeah, guys, it's gone gray.
Then we'll test it out and see how it goes, because you can always go lighter and darker on it, but it's looking pretty good, Bets. What do you think?
It's pretty good.
Right, here we are just painting the base of the tombstones. Just a quick layer of gray. And we're gonna add
a different brush because that brush didn't do that well, so yeah.
Here, so what I'm gonna do with these, I'm gonna do a little light sprinkling of black paint. Just to give it some texture.
Why did you do that?
There we go. Just a little bit like that. Yeah, there you go. Splatter, 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 splatter. It's alright if it's a bit messy. Alright, okay, more about it. That's alright. Splatter, splatter, no more. Alright, rub that right off. That's okay. It's alright. Okay. Alright. Oh, crazy. Okay, don't go get it all over the walls. Okay. Go tell Mom. Okay, so the next step in your gravestone, if you want to make it really green and swampy and old, I've put this layer on all the gravestones. This is quite wet still, so I'm hoping it'll dry a little bit lighter. But it's got to read outside, so in the dark, so I wanted it to be more dramatic. So we're gonna do these 2 remaining gravestones. They're all dried from the gray painting we did earlier. Yeah. So my assistants here, my lovely assistants, Betsy and
I'm her sister.
And Olive.
I've lost a tooth.
And you lost a tooth. I'm gonna show you how to do one, and then Betsy's gonna do hers. So I'm gonna show you.
Help me.
Well, you can do one too. You can do this one.
This
but
is my one.
I'm gonna get some. I got some green paint here, so I'm gonna do a little bit. I'm gonna start a little bit of green paint up like that, on kind of a dry brush. I'm gonna start it up like this because of the decades of it being outside.
Loads of brushes, guys.
And do a dry brush run like this. I start out doing this. So,
We don't need that.
we wanted to...
Daddy, do you need it?
So I'm gonna go...
Daddy, do we need a special tool?
Oh, not yet. We're gonna do sponging after all this stuff. So, I'm just gonna cover all the top stuff where the green goop, ooze, the moss is dripping down. The gravestone. Okay, that's what we're gonna give you a try. So I'm just adding another level of green, bright yellow green on top of the other layers to have it really kind of stand out. I'm gonna mix this in with a sponge brush. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Just adding a little brown at the base of every gravestone, and then just to get a little bit of dirt smudge on it, and then just a little bit more grime onto it if you want to.